It's currently 8:07 and get yourself a housemate that encourages you to go to the gym. Good morning and welcome to my productive morning routine whilst I'm a university student. It's actually currently a Saturday. I don't really have any more classes left this year because it's mainly just deadlines, but me and my housemate have been trying to keep kind of into a routine because it keeps us like doing our work, because we obviously have a lot of work to complete before the end of the year. And it's also just really nice to get up at a certain time every day and make sure you're like getting stuff done. We woke up at 8 o'clock, we'll probably leave really soon. It's like 8:20 right now, so we'll probably leave at like 8:30. I just need to fill up my water and get my shoes on. And then we'll get the tram to the gym and probably do about an hour's gym session. And then come home and get on with the rest of our day. And I'm gonna do abs and arms today, and then I always go on the treadmill at the end just to like get my steps in. So yeah, welcome. Okay. Usually I would eat straight away when getting back from the gym, but I did have a protein bar this morning, which I don't usually do, so I got cheese and Morrison's. So I'm just gonna put this in my fridge. Oh, this must be my butter. I don't think this is my butter. I don't know why this is on my shelf. That's definitely not mine. I think this one's mine. Wait. Yeah, this one's mine because it's broken. I feel like Holly doesn't know that this one's mine. I'm just gonna put this on my shelf so I know that's for sure mine. Sorry Holly if you're watching this, but that butter was mine because it was broken and I broke it before I went away for Easter. So yeah, I'm just gonna hop straight in the shower instead because I'll just eat when I get a bit hungry later because I'm not leaving the house until like 5 today, so I'm gonna go and have a shower because this hair, it's not alright. It's a good job. I got in. Oh my goodness, it's just started absolutely tipping it down. It's about 10 o'clock. Well, it is 10 o'clock. I've just checked. I don't know why I said it's about, which is about our usual time for getting back. I did about an hour. Yeah, I didn't get much at Morrison's, just got some cheese, some denture cleaning tablets. Stay classy. I use them for my retainers every day. I got some new mouthwash, and then I just got some face wash because I'd left my other one at home. So I'm gonna hop in the shower now. Like I said, I'm gonna wash my hair, I'm gonna have a proper pamper, I'll probably put a playlist on. Sometimes I do spend like half an hour in the shower and that's really bad. I kind of can't be doing that today because I have quite a lot to do, so we're gonna get up and get in. I've done my makeup, out the shower. My chair is squeaking, sorry. Got my outfit on. I'm just wearing literally like a black vest top, black cardi on top, and then some comfy blue jeans. I just want to be comfy today. I'm doing like a lot of work in the house and then going to uni later on, so not dried my hair like it's dry naturally, but also have this matching necklace and earrings, which are kind of cute. But yeah, makeup is all done. Just covering this up because it has a bit of personal information, but every evening I also write down a to-do list here. So I know exactly what I'm doing with the day and what I need to do. I feel like a lot of people are going to be like, how is this productive when it's literally 11 AM and you've only just showered and been to the gym? However, I think as a uni student, what's good is you have that flexibility. Like, you don't need to be up at the crack of dawn. And also, oh, I think I just accidentally sent a voice note to my family group chat. Okay, change of plan. I was gonna eat down here and do my work down here, I'm not gonna lie. The vibes suck, the kitchen's kind of dirty, it's cold. So I made myself my breakfast. I have my Greek yogurt strawberries and then I put granola in this time. I'm trying to stay away from granola because it's got a lot of added sugar. But I have like half a bag left to eat. So I've just put some of that in for the added texture and then I just didn't put any honey on top. And then I've got myself a cup of Yorkshire tea, the best tea. Right, bye. Bye. Hello, you can see me. But yeah, I just finished editing this vlog and it's exporting just now. So pretty good. Oh my goodness, you missed the most horrific weather ever. It was just chucking it down and I wanted to go to sleep so badly. It was like really making me need a nap. But that's what a productive morning in my life kind of looks like right now as I'm coming to the end of the school year and I'm trying to get all of my deadlines done, but also balance uni with the rest of my life. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more content from me, stick around, subscribe. I do a lot of uni content as I'm going into my third and final year of uni, and also do a lot of Camp America content if that's something you're interested in. And I'll see you later. Bye.